Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about set operator. Before going forward, one request to you: if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to grow the channel. So let's get started with set operator. Set operator in SQL combine result from multiple query into one and forming compound query. These are the four set operator: union, union all, intersect, and minus. Union: select row from different query and remove duplicate value. Union all: select row from different query and retain duplicate value. And intersect: select row that are common to both queries. And minus set operator: select row from the first query that are not found in second query. These are the Venn diagram of set operator. So let's move to topic union and understand in detail. Union: these operator combine the result of two or more select statement and remove duplicate row. So let's understand with example. Here I am creating employee table with column name, ID, name, and department. So let's insert sample data into employee table. Let's validate employee table. These are the four records inserted into employee table. Let's create another table called new hire with same three column name, ID, name, and department. Inserting sample data into new table in new hire table. Let's validate these four records inserted into new hire table. For union, here I am selecting select ID, name, department from employee table and gives here set operator union. After that, write second query here, select ID, name, and department from another table called new hire. So if I execute this statement, you can see here combine the result from both select statement and but remove duplicate value. Okay, here coming from these records and these two records from second table and these two records removed by union. Here is the rule of some union operator. Number of column being selected must be same, data type of column being selected must be same data type, and output is sorted in ascending order by default. Here some rule: name of the column must not be identical. It is not mandatory to be identical, but data type and it should be same. Okay, so let's understand another set operator called union. Let's understand. It is similar to union, but it's retain duplicate row. So understand by demo. Here I am selecting same query, but here write union all. So here is only 6 record with union, and if I execute this statement, you can see here the 8 records. This records from first query, select ID, name, department from employee table, and these record from second table called new hire. Okay, it's retain duplicate value. Okay, and in first union it's remove duplicate value. These are the difference between union and union all. And also one difference is it's not sorted by default. Okay, it's yeah, not sorted by default. So if you want to sort, you can use here order by clause, and order by clause at the one time at the end of the query, compound query. So if you want to first execute this statement, then it's sorted the result, and if you want to use another order by in each query, each compound query, then it's give error. So here you have to remove order by. You can use only one time at the end of the query. Okay, if you want to use alias name, then you can use only one times at the first query. So here you can write here employee ID. Okay, so it's give here you have to use employee ID. Okay, if you want to use here alias name, for example 1, then it's return only first query alias name. Here it's not come here employee ID 1. Okay, these are the difference. So now let's move to intersect operator. Intersect operator return the common row between the result set of two select statement. Okay, for example, these are the result of first table and these are the result of second table. So which 3 and 4 fourth row are common here. So it's written here in the intersect operator. So let's see by demo. Here 3 and 4, employee ID 3 and 4, these two records retrieved by intersect set operator. Now let's move to minus set operator. The rule is same for the intersect operator also. Number of column being selected must be same, data type of column being selected must be same data type, and name of the column need not to be identical. It is not mandatory to be identical as you see in by alias name. Okay, so now minus set operator. This operator return the row from the first select statement that are not present in the result of second select statement. Means these are the first select statement result employee table, and these are the second select statement result, and here is the 1 and 2 employee ID 1 and 2 is not present in second table, so it's give only two result 1 and 2. Let's understand by demo. Here only two record return result. Okay, because 1 and 2 ID employee ID number 1 and 2 not present in second. Okay, and these are the rule. Number of column being selected must be same as previous, data type must be same data type, and column need not to be identical. This is not mandatory. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.